Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the BO90 CNC drilling and milling machine. The solid machine frame is made of high-quality grey cast iron with wide guideways and a large clamping table to guarantee maximum stability and smoothness during heavy milling operations. Sturdy stainless steel covers protect the guides and drives from chips and dirt. The standard central lubrication simplifies the essential maintenance tasks for the operator. The large traverse paths in all axes and the high table load capacity of up to 1 ton enable the processing of large and heavy workpieces. Dynamic servo drives and large size ball screws provide the necessary powerful feed and precision. The spindle holder is designed for BT40 tools and has an automatic tool clamp. The rotating table can be positioned manually in 5-degree steps. The table is raised pneumatically and can be easily moved in this position. When lowering, the table interlocks with its base and clamps in the designated position. The proven control system Siemens 828D meets all requirements for a modern CNC solution in terms of programming and handling. The standard electronic handwheel makes it easier to set up the machine. An experienced user is quickly familiar with the Sinomeric Operate user interface, which is used throughout Siemens up to the Sinomeric 840D. Data can be transferred via USB stick, CF card or Ethernet network. The continuously optimized operator guidance and clear graphical representation support the operator and improve productivity and production safety. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of powerful drilling and milling machines and other accessories. Why not speak to your KNUTH representative today to find the best solution for your business?